Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful makeup look for you guys with some bright red lips. I am in love with this makeup look and it was super easy to do. So if you want to know how I achieved this beautiful makeup look, just keep on watching. So we're gonna start with primer. I already have my moisturizer on and the primer that we're gonna be using is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer from Fenty Beauty. Now for foundation, I'll be using the Local Foundation from Kat Von D, and this one is in the shade Medium Warm. I really like the coverage of this foundation. Super full coverage. Now for concealer, I'll be using the Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS in the shade Custard. Now for cream contour, I'll be using, as always, this is my favorite at the moment. This is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. Now we're just gonna blend it using a brush. Now to set the concealer, I'll be using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Now for bronzer, I want to use this one. This is the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer and it's light medium. Hopefully it's dark enough. So here it is, and using this Milani brush, I'll be applying it. So I should have gotten the medium to dark bronzer, but this one is the only one they had. It's pretty natural, but it doesn't show that much. I mean, on camera it is, but in here it's not showing as much. But we're gonna leave it, Now I'm gonna clean up the line a little bit using more translucent powder. Now for highlighter, I'll be taking my Becca highlighter in the shade Moonstone. Now for eyebrows, I'll be using my Brow Wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Dark Brown. So first, I'm just gonna brush them through. Now for eyeshadow, the palette that I'm going to be using is the Violet Voss Pro Eyeshadows palette. And this palette is perfect because we need some brown shades to do kind of like brown smoky eye with some gold. So here are the brown shades, and then we have this gold eyeshadow there. The first shade that I'm going to be taking, and this is going to be the base, it's going to be this one called Thanks a Latte. And I'm just going to be applying it all over my lid. Now taking this shade called Bestie, I'll be applying it on my crease. Now we're gonna go in with this shade called Are You Kidding Me? Kidding Me? Okay, and I'm gonna be applying it on my crease as well, just to intensify the color. Now going in with Brownie Points, I'll be taking this shade and applying it on the corner of my eye. Now with my finger, I'll be taking this shade called Toffee and I'm gonna be applying it on my lid. This is a beautiful shade. Now to make the look a little bit darker, I'm going to be applying a tiny bit of this shade called Teddy Bear, also on the corner of my eye. Now for the bottom lash line, I'll be applying the same colors that we put on the crease. Now I'm just going to highlight my inner corner using the same Becca highlighter. Now for my waterline, I'll be using the highliner from Marc Jacobs. Now I'll be doing a wing using my e.l.f. liner. And I'm gonna be applying some falsies. These are the Kiss number 11. Okay, so we're back. I have my liner and lashes on, and now I'm gonna apply a little bit of mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Okay, now we're going with the lips. This is the most important part. First, I like to apply some chapstick before going in with the lipstick. And the lipstick that I'm gonna be using is this one from Morphe in the shade Bunny. So yes, red lips for this look. It's gonna look amazing. Okay, so here we have the lips. Usually I never go for a red lipstick, but I am in love with this one from Morphe. So yeah. Now to set all of our makeup in place, I'll be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Okay, you guys, so here is our makeup look all done. I am in love with this red lipstick. I never usually go for red because I thought it wasn't my color, but anyone can rock it. So if you want to try red, just go ahead. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look awesome. You can do it. We can do whatever we want. So yeah, here is the finished makeup look. And okay guys, that's everything that I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys!